back to my channel. Got my Boxycharm for this month, finally. I see everyone else got theirs before me. You know I'm jealous. You know I want mine first. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what's in this month's Boxycharm for the month of March 2018. But first, you know what to do. Press it. Press it, press it, press it, press it. Press subscribe. Thank you to everyone who had subscribed. Oh my gosh, I can't believe like I have however many subscribers I have now. I remember when I had 0. So thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And anyone who watched this video, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So if you want to see what I got in my Boxycharm for the month of March, stick around. Alright, everyone. So, this box looks pretty good. It's pretty heavy. So yeah, let's get into it. What we got. So the first thing that I got is this set of brushes. If you guys don't know, Boxycharm's $21 a month. I really think it's the best beauty box that's out there now. It is a little more pricey. It's $21. But I mean, honestly, it's worth it because you get full-size items, so I think it's worth it. So this brush set is from Vintage Cosmetics, and we got, well, I got a Vintage Cosmetics like smoky eye pencil a couple of months ago. It might have been last month, and it was, you know, pretty good. These brushes are, it's a 3-pack. The only thing I don't like is there's no fluffy blending brush, and those are my most favorite brushes. Like these angled brushes, I mean, you can use them. Like, I don't use them too much. And this one, like, I mean, I guess you smudge out your bottom lash line with it. But yeah, I just wish it had a fluffy blending brush. And let's see how much this runs for. So this is $23.15. So right there, it's already worth it. So yeah. The next thing I got was this, it's called South Main, and these are eye patches, under eye patches. You want to see here, those are the directions. So this says that they are under eye gels. They reduce puffiness, dark circles, and moisturize your eye area, which, I mean, honestly, we can all use this. So the under eye gels are $10. Now I'm not sure if it's $10 each or if the 3-pack is $10. Because it came with a 3-pack, which I think is pretty good, and 2 come in here. So yeah, so I think that's a pretty good price. Do they work? I don't know, because I've never tried them. But yeah, I'm anxious to try them. The next thing that I got is, this is the Pretty Vulgar blush. This is in the shade Make Them Blush, Hush Blush. I guess it's number 18. I love, love, love this packaging. OMG. It's like a little like picture frame. And then here's the blush here. So I'm just going to go ahead and swatch this. This is it. It's very like mauve-y. So you can see that here. Oh, that'll be good for my skin tone. And I love a matte blush, like, and this is so pretty. I love like the container. I love this Pretty Vulgar stuff. They gave us like a Pretty Vulgar lipstick a couple months ago, and I really liked it. It was a little dark for me, but yeah, so I just blended it out. That's pretty. It's kind of like the one I have on today. Yeah, that's pretty. Yeah, so this, you could get away with this if you're lighter or darker. It's a pretty universal color. I think they had, the other option was like a hot pink blush, which is tricky to pull off. So I'm kind of glad I got this one. And this is the Make Them Blush Hush Blush. So this is pretty. And it says this is $26, which, I mean, I would never get one blush for $26, but I mean, hey, more power to you if that's what you want to charge, you know. The next thing I got is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes. I'm so excited to try this. The last mascara I got from Boxycharm was the limited edition, the Pure Cosmetics mascara, and it was life. When I tell you it was life, it was life. Like, I really don't have long lashes or thick lashes, and it was a life. So I'm excited to try this one. This is the wand here. It's like, is it supposed to be bent like this? I don't know. Let's see. Is it doing anything? Oh wow. Now I do already have mascara on. I have my Marc Jacobs on from this morning because I had to work today. Wow, it does look like it's lengthening them. Is it making them darker? I don't know. Yeah. It says 200% thicker lashes and 314% increase in lash curl. So this looks pretty good. I mean, I love mascaras because I have no lashes. And it says that this is regular price $20. So the last thing that I got in my box was another palette. I cannot believe how many palettes Boxycharm has given us. So this is the palette here, and it's the pure, I guess, collaboration, with Boxycharm. And you can see here all of the colors. I'm actually not going to swatch this because I think I'll give this away. And I always swatch in my videos. I'll just put in a picture of the swatches here, because I saw a picture of the swatches on Instagram, so I'll just put that in here so that I can save this to go ahead and give it away, because I have, oh my gosh, I have too many palettes. But this is very pretty, and it's so cool. It has the names on it here, and it has, what is this, 12 shades, and it looks like there's some shimmers and some mattes here. So so yeah, this is really, really cute. And the last Pure Cosmetics palette I got, I really, really liked. And it says this is worth $36, which I think is pricey, but it's really cute. And you get a mirror in it. So yeah, that was my Boxycharm that I got for this month. And the theme was vacation. So it was $21, but it looks like the total value was over $100. Yeah, I was doing a little math in my head. Over $100. So so yeah, let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharm, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment down below. Yeah, until next time, bye.